Okay, can you see my screen on? Okay, okay, about these two questions. The first question I will introduce. Uh, the first question is about should Taiwanese government maintain its current tariffs to ensure the survival of local car manufacturers? Uh, the answer is yes. Maintaining the current tariffs helps keep the 50-50 balance between imported and domestic vehicles. It means when uh, when our vehicles is imported from other countries, or we we purchase our domestic vehicles, it will balance 50 and 50%. It can protect our local industry. If you lowering the tariffs, will wipe out the market for domestic car brands. The second one, it gives our domestic manufacturers more time to prepare for new opportunities. For example, uh, we can develop a new technology around such as EV technologies or other kind uh, environmental protect uh, in technologies. So that's the two reason why we say yes to maintain our current tariffs. And the third one, we'll invite Doris to share with you.
Okay, so third one is we think on the other hand, while U.S. tariffs do hurt and challenges for certain Taiwanese industries, but the industrial most affected tend to be those with strong technological capabilities and with high global competitiveness. So, such as semiconductor or some uh, high bicycle manufacturing like uh, and and these companies are better positioned to overcome short to maybe medium term trade tensions, and due to their scale, reach, and development capability and international market present. And we think after 4 years, the Donald Trump will not be the America president anymore. So maybe the tariffs would be reset, and at that time, these companies are resilient enough to adapt and remain global competitive. Yes, and this is the reason why we say yes to the first question.
The second question is what should Taiwanese auto part manufacturers do to cope with the current trade war? And first one, we think we have to expand export markets beyond the US, especially into Southeast Asia and the Middle East to diversify risk. The detailed practices first is collaborate with local distributors, offer exclusive pricing, training support, and co-branding strategies. Then we have to enhance multilingual marketing and after-sales support. Provide products, catalogs, and websites in the languages of the export destination countries. Second one is set up factories in low-tariff countries such as Vietnam, Mexico, and Eastern European nations and then export from there. For example, we think we can establish an assembly plant in Vietnam, shipping semi-finished products from Taiwan for final assembly, then exporting to the US to avoid high tariffs. Or we can set up a subsidiary in Mexico and export to the US under the USMCA to get zero tariffs. And to comply with USMCA rules of origin, The product must be manufactured in Mexico, the United States, or Canada, or must undergo substantial processing, not just simple assembly or repackaging. So we can establish substantial business operations in Mexico, such as setting up a factory or collaborating with local OEM or ODM manufacturers to ensure the products meet the rules of origin criteria. And the last one is accelerate transformation toward electric and smart components and target markets outside the US. Because the United States now prohibits vehicle technologies developed by China and Russia, we have placed our market in countries other than United States to be on the safe side. This is our presentation. Thank you.